Hey Hip Chicks, I am coming to you from behind my dryer, and I have a little simple tale to tell you. Last week the dryer was on and spinning, but wasn't getting hot. So my husband and I looked at each other and were like, the washer and dryer are 22 years old. Yeah, it's probably getting to the time to replace them, but we've got so many other things going on right now. I didn't want to take time to try to figure out what I want. Are they the same size and the price and all that? So I decided to jump on YouTube and find someone else's video on troubleshooting the dryer. And wow, I am so glad that I did. Yeah, it'd be great to have a new dryer with bells and whistles and all sorts of settings, but I really didn't need it right now. We've spent money on hardwood, we've got tuition, like it can wait. So what we decided to do was follow a video, took the dryer apart from the back, and I found that this was the problem. $5.71 on Amazon, and this little thermal fuse was the cause of my dryer not heating. So don't be afraid to Google some stuff. Here you see I have the dryer open. I followed the video instructions, opened the dryer, and found what the problem was. So here we are, $5.71 later. The dryer's back on. I'm going to close it up, and we've saved ourselves money and time. Here's the deal. The Kenmore washer and dryer are 22. I've made one washing machine repair on a hose, and I've made now 2 repairs on the dryer. One was a belt and one was a fuse. That's quality that lasts. So why would I want to get rid of something that's built to last instead of buying tin cans of today? So sometimes fixing things is better than replacing.